Is your local business on social media, but it feels more like a ghost town than a bustling marketplace? Let's change that today with 7 super simple, actionable tips. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we help businesses thrive in today's digital age. Today we're talking about the best ways for local businesses to take advantage of social media. So whether you're a boutique bakery or an independent bookstore, you'll want to stick around. Tip number 1, pick 2 social media platforms to focus on. That's right, you don't need to be everywhere. In fact, it's more effective to focus your efforts on the 2 platforms where your customers hang out the most. Do some research, find out where your target demographic spends their time online, and start there. Tip number 2, post content regularly. Consistency is key. Regular posts not only keep your audience engaged, but also show that you're an active, thriving business. Aim for at least a few times a week, but remember, quality over quantity. Tip number 3, engage with your followers. Social media is about being social. Respond to comments, answer messages, and appreciate the love your customers show. This will make your audience feel valued and help you build a loyal community. Tip number 4, your website link should be in your bio or your about section. Make it easy for potential customers to learn more about you and, of course, make a purchase or a booking from your business. If you don't have a website, check out Mighty Sites. The link's right below in the description. Tip number 5, add high quality photos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? High quality photos not only grab attention, but also help tell your business's story. Show off your products, your team, or behind the scenes action to add authenticity to your business on social media. Tip number 6, don't be overly promotional. While it's important to sell, your feed shouldn't just be a continuous stream of ads. Mix it up with engaging, valuable content to keep your audience coming back. And finally, tip number 7, post helpful content. Become a resource for your audience. Share tips, how-tos, or industry news. This not only helps your customers, but also positions you as an expert in your field. And there you have it, folks. Even simple but effective tips for local businesses to get the most out of social media. Remember, it's all about being authentic, engaging, and providing value. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And of course, share any questions or your own tips in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.